What is the Earned Income Tax Credit on TurboTax? Hello everyone, and let's get started. So the Earned Income Tax Credit is one of the type of credit that can help increase your refund or reduce the amount of taxes you owe. It is for the working people with low to moderate income that meet certain qualifications. To get the income tax credit, both of your earned income and adjusted gross income cannot exceed a certain amount depending on the number of children you claim and your filing status. You must also have earned income, be a US citizen or resident online, have a valid social security number for everyone on your return, and have less than a certain amount of investment income. Not file a Form 2555 or 2555EZ, and if you are not filing a joint return, you need to have a qualification child that lived with you for more than a half of last year. It can be a lot of stipulations for one credit, but luckily TurboTax does the calculations. After you tell about yourself and enter your income, it will determine you qualify and how much credit you receive. So that's all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button.